Hey everyone, today we're checking out the LIDARPHE Thick Bike Bag designed for 26 to 29-inch bicycles, perfect for air travel and shipping. This durable bike carry case folds easily and fits regular 26-inch bikes, including up to 27.5-inch wheels with the handlebar removed. Its robust design protects your bike during transport, ensuring your gear stays safe whether you're flying or shipping. The bag's portability makes it convenient for professional cyclists and casual riders alike. It's an excellent choice for storing and carrying your bike securely on any trip. Plus, it makes a thoughtful gift for cycling enthusiasts, especially on Father's Day. Stay tuned to see how this versatile bike bag can simplify your next cycling adventure. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.